not be long, but I'll have to read what I've written because I'm a sort of an organized person and I like to say it all. So I wrote whatever I would like to say, not to miss anything. First of all, dear distinguished conference participants and guests, on behalf of the Faculty of Commerce and Business Administration, Future University in Egypt, and the Center of Business and Economic Research, we would like to express our extreme gratitude and appreciation to your good selves for joining the 11th International Conference on Restructuring of the Global Economy 2022. Extending the appreciation to all the partners of success, the conference keynote speakers, the reviewing committee, the conference advisory board, the conference sessions chair, and to everyone who supported the success of our conference through enthusiasm and dedication. Over the conference session, contemporary research trends were presented and exchange of ideas were explored. The integration of economic and business research disciplines across the various tracks opened up the gate for fostering critical thinking and synthesis of new research ideas. Furthermore, sharing knowledge among all the conference participants painted and developed a brighter picture for future research. The conference sessions encompassed a broad range of multidisciplinary science tracks, including management, marketing, human resource development, and sustainability trends. Sustainable development goals are the blueprint for the restructuring and development of global economy. Referring to the Sustainable Development Goal number 4, quality education. It is quality education and research that remains the foundation to improve people's life and achieve sustainable development. We sincerely hope that the 11th International Conference on Restructuring of the Global Economy served as a landmark for fostering knowledge and successful research collaboration and partnership. It was a splendid conference, both in terms of intellectual quality and social gratification. Thank you.